what we're showing here today is our unique PLC control system running a software PLC within a PC, utilising Windows for connectivity and Industry 4.0 for cloud computing and data capture up into the cloud, and also having PLC built into the same unit. Beckhoff enables companies with its use in Industry 4.0 with our unique PC control system. Because we use the PC as our backbone within our system, it means that we have cloud computing within the system automatically. It's the cloud computing is native to our controllers because of the PC technology and its connection to Windows. We utilise DLLs and OPC UA and connection up to the cloud with the system as standard. How we see UK manufacturers using Industry 4.0 at the moment, it's partly people don't know what it is just yet. There's lots of interest, there's lots of people talking about it and asking us questions about it. People are still trying to decide what they need from Industry 4.0. What manufacturers need to do is decide what data they want, whether it's pure data or whether it's connectivity for maintenance purposes of their machinery, or to, as I said, capture data into the cloud and then analyse that for future use to, again, help maintenance and the uptime of their machines.